As you can see, I updated all my drivers with Driver Reviver software. Let's go to Device Manager. Yes, all drivers have been updated to the latest version. But what if I reinstall my Windows? Your guess is correct. After reinstalling Windows, all new drivers will be deleted. So, you should back up all your drivers with the Windows 10 PowerShell command that I put in the description at the bottom of the video. Type Windows PowerShell in this field. I enter this command in PowerShell to back up my drivers in drive D. If you intend to save the backup in another drive, enter the name of the desired drive instead of the letter D. If you have copied the command from Notepad, just right-click to paste. The backup of the drivers was done successfully. Now let's go to drive D to see them. Now I have uninstalled my Windows 10 to show you how to use the backed up drivers to update your drivers. If we tick this checkbox, the subfolders will also be selected. Now my graphics card driver is being updated, and you should use the same method for other drivers as well. When you see an exclamation mark next to the device's icon, it means that the driver is not recognized by Windows, and you should update it in the same way as I said.